guys, this is Swastik Srivastav and today I am going to tell you how to download SpringJars files or Spring software. Okay, so let's go to Chrome or any browser which you use. Here I am pasting a link which you have to paste it to, by which you will go to the Spring file from where you have to download it. Hey guys, this is Swastik Srivastav and today I am going to tell you how to download SpringJars files. So go to Chrome or whatever browser you are using, write a link. I am pasting here. I will paste this link in my description box. From there you can copy it, just search it. I have downloaded, that's why I am not downloading it, but you have to download it. Okay, like this you will get one jar file, one zip file in this download folder. Just extract this zip file, extract here, in download section, and now I will paste it in my D drive. Just copy it and after extracting the file you will get a file like this, Spring Framework 5.2.7. just open this file, and these all files you will get except these common login 1.2.1.1. except this file you will get all the files in this. Okay, I will show you how you will get these all files too. Open your just create your jar file. After opening your Eclipse, create new Java project. Let's name it Spring App. After opening Eclipse, just create a project. For that you have to go for file, then new Java project, git name is SpringJars. Now next, now finish. Now go to your SpringJars folder, project, right click there and you will get these all options. You have to go for build path, go for configure path. Here libraries, you have to go for libraries. Here add external jars. Here if you are anywhere else, just go to the folder we have where you have downloaded or extracted Spring Framework. Like in here I was extracted, so here open this file. Here go to the libs folder, and these all are your jar files. For if you want to choose any separate jar file, then press Ctrl and select that file. Otherwise just Ctrl plus